This is an important lesson to understand how the French language is rich to help you get your point, with all the various tenses. So I'm not going to go into complicated tenses like the passé simple. I just want to show you 4 or 5, if we include the present, 5 tenses on a timeline coming up. Hello my friend, my name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. This video is dedicated to one of my students, Sharon. Hi Sharon! So this is for you. This was inspired by you because I always explain tenses to my students using the image of a timeline. And Sharon said to me, you should put it on a piece of paper and have it written somewhere. So here it is. In the middle, this is the present, so T0. On the left, the past, but the past is not a big bubble where everything happens at the same time. You have an order, a sequence of events in the past. Things happened before other things. This is why we have passé composé, and before that we have plus que parfait. Okay? On the other side, on the right, you have the future, and again in the future some things are going to happen before others. So futur antérieur, ante in Latin it means before. Futur antérieur is before the futur simple. So I really hope this helps. Now, let's see some examples. Je suis au présent. Okay, I am in the present. I'm talking about 2 people, Fred and Mary. Donc, Fred et Marie se sont mariés il y a 3 ans en France. Okay, passé composé, this is an action in the past. And now I want to say that before that, there was another important action where they got engaged. Ils s'étaient mariés il y a 4 ans en Italie. So plus que parfait is further in the past compared to passé composé. Now let's see an example with the future. Quand j'aurai terminé mes devoirs, j'irai au cinéma. So it's going to be like a reward to me to watch a movie. I'm going to finish my homework and then I'll watch a movie as a reward. Not the other way around. So futur antérieur, the first thing that is going to happen in the future is that I'm going to finish my homework. Quand j'aurai fini, futur antérieur. Quand j'aurai fini mes devoirs, j'irai, futur simple, au cinéma. Okay, my friends, if you have any questions, please submit them below or go to the website frenchwithasmile.net. There's a contact form there for you. If you want the slides, they are free for you. I made them, I created them for you. They are on the website, of course, frenchwithasmile.net. If you want one-to-one lessons with me or with another great French tutor, go to Preply, clairesamuel.fr/Preply. The link is below. And I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!